here, jurisdiction and choice of law. Read it if any of that apply to you. Okay. Real accounts are not available to political exposed persons. A politically exposed person is someone appointed with a prominent public position. No, I'm not. I am not a PEP, that's PEP, and I have not been a PEP in the last 12 months. Yep, click. I agree to terms and conditions, click. Good. So, add account. Good. So, your account is ready. Fund your account to start trading. Then you have options, maybe later or deposit. Click on maybe later. You understand? So if you have to deposit, you can click deposit right away. But maybe later is good. Then I'll show you how to deposit later on. Maybe later. Okay, so you see pending actions. So there are some, I think that tax identification number I talked about. So we can do that later. So if you want us to do that, leave a comment in the comment section and we can do a video about that. But that's not really going to disturb you. So I've been using my account for a while now and no disturbance. Like was for a while, for years. All right, so this is how it is. Okay, you have your LTC balance. Then to get the real account, just click on MT5 Deriv. That's MT5 Deriv, Meta 5 Deriv. Then click on get. So this is how you get a real account. So for those in Nigeria, you can click St. Vincent and Grenadines. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Permit me. Then British Virgin Island. So I don't know, but for Nigerians especially, you click on St. Vincent. You understand? So whatever country you are in, I think St. Vincent is going to work for you. So it's going to work just fine. Okay. So let's go. Enter your Deriv MT5 password. Okay. So like I said, use the same password. Yeah. So always open that eye icon to see what you type in. Add accounts. Yep, success. Congratulations. Why save password always? I'm going to take that one out. Congratulations, you successfully created your real Deriv MT5 Fiji account to start trading. Transfer funds from your Deriv account into this account. Maybe later, transfer now. Maybe later. Your account has been opened for you. So on the demo account, I clicked open there. So you see your details and how you're going to add it over there. So when we want to link our Deriv account to the Meta 5 platform, we just come here, click open, then every detail is showing there. Okay, you copy them maybe in a piece of paper or somewhere or anyhow, then you put it there. So we'll go over to MT5 and quickly do that. So let's just cover everything here. No need to create a separate class or separate topic for linking of MT5. So let's just do everything now. Okay, all right. Log out. So that's all. If you're using iPhone, I've never used iPhone before, but if you're using iPhone, I think you know your way around where you download apps from. So for Android, we just go to Play Store. Then you will type in MetaShare 5. Pop out already. So yeah, install. So I think we're done. Alright. So you can click on open from here. Right, so open a demo account, it's opening, then click accept. Open a demo account, just exit. Then if you get this like this, I want to explain something quickly to you. Deriv.com Limited is strictly for demo accounts or demo accounts. You know where that 10,000 US dollar was placed in, that visual money. Okay, so that's just for trading. But if you want to connect your real account, remember I told you to copy everything. We copied everything like from your real account. Copy everything from your demo account. Click on Deriv Limited if you want to open your demo. But let's start with the real account first. So you click on Find Broker. That's spacebar. Just type Deriv. Then you hold on. It will pop out. Then this drop down. Look for your server. You click on SVG. According to your server, according to your broker, then according to the particular one they you have on your home page that you've written down. That's what you put accordingly. So you start with login. Password. I hope I got that one right. I hope I got it right. Okay, then server. Drive SVJ. Server. Okay. Yeah. So it's in. So this is the real account. You can see the balance is 0.00 USD. So now let's open the demo account. So you see this icon at the top. Just click the plus icon. Click the plus. That's it. So now you click on deriv.com limited because that's the general account for demo. So you switch to Deriv demo, that server. Then your login ID, you just click in, let me type in your login ID, then password. So remember I said use one password for everything so that you don't get it all mixed up, and make sure you're the only one that knows about the password. Okay, yep. So demo and real account is open. So peace and see you guys in the next class. Thank you.